understand complete solution of this particular problem. Thank you.
I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll see solution of question number 8 from our final test paper 2024 of MCR3U. This is functions grade 11. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. We do have programs during the summer also to prepare you for this September session. Now let's look into these solutions one by one. Question number 8a. Minus 3 square root 2 times 6 square root 6 minus square root 10 minus 2 times within bracket square root 27 plus 4 square root 80. Simplify, leave solution in exact form. Let's see how do we do it. So in part A, we are going to expand and simplify. Let me rewrite this expression: minus 3 square root 2 within bracket 6 square root 6 minus square root 10 minus 2 within bracket square root 27 plus 4 square root 80. Correct. So when you multiply both the terms. So you get 3 times 6 as 18, and inside 6 times 2 is 12. Minus and minus is positive, 3 outside, 2 times 10 being 20, minus 2 square root 27 plus 8 square root 80. We can now simplify the radical. So we have 18. Now 12 can be written as 4 times 3. I am taking 4 because 4 is a perfect square. So it helps to simplify. 20 is 4 times 5. That decimal in between is not a decimal. That point is a product sign. Correct? 2 square root 27, we can write this as 9 times 3, right? Plus 8 within bracket, we have 80. Now, how can you write 80 as? So 4 times 20, which is 4 times 4, 16 times 5, you could write. Is it okay? 16 times 5. Makes sense? So now we can rewrite this as equal to, let me write equal to signs here. 4 square root is 2, right? So this becomes minus 36 square root 3 plus square root of 4 is 2, 6 square root 5 minus square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6 square root 3, and that sign should have been negative, right? Let me correct it. Both signs will change. Correct. So we have 8 times 4, which is 32 square root of 5. Now you combine the like terms. So the terms with square root 3, we have minus 36 and minus 6. It becomes minus 42 square root 3. And with square root 5, we have 6 and minus 32. So it becomes minus 26 square root 5. So that becomes the simplified form of the given expression. So I hope this is absolutely clear, right? So now we can move on and take the next one. Well, those of you who want to learn from us, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top, and we can be part of your success. Question 8b, simplify, leave in exact form. We are given 4 square root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 square root 3 minus 3 square root 2. How do we simplify this? So the strategy is to rationalize. Means we need to multiply and divide by its conjugate, right? So we can rewrite this as 4 square root 2 minus 1 over 2 square root 3 minus 3 square root 2. Well, multiply and divide by 2 square root 3 plus 3 square root 2. So that is the conjugate, right? Is that clear to you? Why did we do so? Because we know that a plus b times a minus b is basically a square minus b square. So the radical when squared will be a number which can be now further worked with. So we can get here in the numerator 4 square root 2 minus 1 times 2 square root 3 plus 3 square root 2, correct? However, in the denominator we have difference of squares. So we have got 2 square root 3 square minus 3 square root 2 square. Make sense? So you can expand using distributive property the numerator. So 4 square root 2 times 2 square root 3 gives you 8 square root 6, right? And then with the second term, 4 times 3 is 12, and then 2 will give us 24, correct? So I'm not getting into details of this since you have done part A, so you know this part, correct? With minus 1 times 2 square root 3 and minus 3 square root. Perfect? In the denominator, square of 2 is 4 and square root square 3 is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12 minus this is 9 times 2 which is 18. So we can now simplify. So we have many types of different terms in the numerator, which is 8 square root 6, right, plus 24. We can rearrange them. Minus 2 square root 3 minus 3 square root 2 divided by 12 minus 18 is minus 6. Is that clear to you? So now we have minus 6 in the denominator. You can divide individually each one of them and simplify, write down the answer. So 8 divided by 6 is 4 over 3 with a negative sign. Square root 6, right? Here we have negative 4. Here we have negative, and negative becomes positive 1/3 of square root 3. And this gives you minus, and minus becomes plus square root 2 over 2. So that could be the simplified form. You can of course write minus 4 in the beginning. But I hope with this, the concept of simplifying the radical expressions is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.